What's up, guys? Welcome back to Miles and Grayson Cooks.
Miles, it is per se. Am I getting paid for this?
No. Today we're going to be making eggs.
What? I thought we were making pizza.
Don't worry, we'll make pizza in the next episode.
I don't have time for next episode.
Sorry, Hihei. I have to steal your children. Okay, so first you're going to have to put the shells in the pan and put the yolk in the trash can.
Beep. Correct.
Now you wait 30 seconds.
Don't you mean 30 seconds?
Shut up. 30 seconds later. Still not ready yet. Just one more minute. Just one more minute later. It'll cook eventually. Eventually. Beep, 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 beep. Ugh. Alright, the egg's finished. Alright, duck. Here's your food. Eggs. Wow, Grayson, you handled that so well.
Thank you.